Hello friends, we have seen in the previous video the basic structure of PLC and basic instructions. Today we will see one of the simulation software Logix Pro, the basic use of basic instructions. We will start with the Logix Pro. We will start with the switch, the AND gate, the OR gate and NOT gate by using this. Logix Pro is available as student version. You can practice on that. Let us start with this Logix Pro. Go to the Logix Pro. Logix Pro. It is the software developed by the learningpit.com. In Logix Pro, various simulators are given for practice. We'll use the IO simulator. Select IO simulator. You can see here various switches. These switches are used as the input switches. By the side you can see the lights that can be used as the output. Total 32 inputs and 32 outputs are there from where we can use. For simulation purpose, go to the offline. You can add, this is a rung, you can add as much rungs as you want. We'll focus only on the IO simulator, the basic. The first, we want to develop one switch and one light depending upon which the light is made on or off. These are the rungs. You can add rungs, you can delete rungs available. Now I will pick one NO switch. This is the normally open switch. One output. Again, for this switch we have to give the address. Address is nothing but the outside word. PLC is connected to the outside word. The address first switch I will take as the address of that. It is I:1:00. The output is the light over here. Okay, I will take the address of that. It is O:2/00. O stands for the output, 2 stands for the second row, and 00 is the position of that. Okay. Go to the online, download this to the PLC, go to the run mode, and you can actually simulate the switches. When the switch is open, the light is off, and when switch is closed, the output is on. You can see over there, switch is NO switch. If, in other words, if NO is true, output is true. NO is false, output. Now we'll take one more. We'll try to develop the AND gate. For that, we'll require two anodes that can be dragged. One more and the output. Okay. Now we'll give the addresses to these switches. I will select the first column, second switch, address of that is I stands for the input, I colon 1 oblique 1. Second switch I will take as a third. So the address of this is I colon 1 oblique 2. The address for output will take as second column, second output, the address of which is O colon 2 oblique 1. Now go to online, download this sim software to PLC, go to the run mode. Now actually you can make switches on and off. This is AND gate. AND gate means when the switch 1 and switch 2 are true, the output will be true. Here you can see we can verify the truth table of AND gate. That is 0 0 output is 0, 0 1 output is 0, 1 0 output is 0, and when both switches are 1, that is both switches are true, the output will be true, 1 1 1. Also you can change the color of this signal. Red, I will make it yellow. Again we will try to have the OR gate. Go to the offline. Again I will need 2 switches, NO switches I am taking. So for that switches can be dragged. Another one. In case of AND gate, the switches are connected in series. In case of OR gate, we have to connect it in a parallel. Now these 2 switches are connected in parallel. Again we will give the addresses to these switches. I colon 1 oblique 3 4. And I colon 1 oblique 4. The address to the output is, I am taking fourth one, that is O colon 2 oblique 3. O colon 2 oblique 3. OR gate in parallel. Now to simulate this, again go to the online, download this to the PLC, go to the run mode, and actually now depending upon the position of this, we will get the output of OR gate. Switch 1 is true, output is true. Switch 2 are true, output is true. You will get the output of OR gate when both the switches are 1 or any one of the switch is 1. You can verify the truth table by using simulations. That is 0 0 output is 0, 0 1 output is 1, 1 0 output is 1, and 1 1 output is 1. You can verify. Now we'll try to make one NOT gate. NOT gate is nothing but the NC switch. Okay, go to the offline, select NC switch, give the address. Okay, addresses again can be dragged. Give the address to the output also. Addresses is dragged. Go to the online, download to the PLC, run, go to run mode, and you can see when the switch is 0, input is 0, output is there, and when we press switch to 1, the output is 0. This is the switch OR gate, NOT gate. We'll see one more door simulator in the next video. Thank you. Go on practicing this.